I'm going to do a walk around and just look at everything, and then we'll look at the spindle jogging and all those things. The door stop button is right here, is just a plate in, because this is still attached so we can show everything. Got the bar feeder over here, the coolant pan. Foot pedal down here. We'll go over more of the controls here in a second. Jog this back. See the, I'm going to move down here my pendant so you can see it move. There you go. Just wanted to show that so that we have evidence that the thing moves. Run it out again here. And then run it back with this button right here. Yep. You see it counting down there. Starts slower, speeds up. Anyway, that's bar feeder. Here's the live tooling. Index it over. Run the other one. Main spindle. You see the RPMs right here. So for the sub spindle, when you try to run it, you get this EX1010 error. However, you can still move it with the door closed, which in this case we have this in here for the door closed. You can still jog it for this button right here. But when you go to run it, hit reset. When you hit the forward or reverse, you get this EX10. I'll reset it and go again. You get a chuck not responding error for a split second, and then you get this. And we traced it down to there's a limit switch for the chuck open and close sensor, and those are not responding in the ladder diagram. So you can jog it, but you can't run it unless you resolve the issue with the sensors.